5 Best VGA Cables. Here is the product number 5. VGA Video Converter Adapter Cable. Lightweight and convenient. New with plastic bag. Supports 720p and 1080p full-size high-definition resolution. High quality. Black color. Work with laptop, notebook, PC, DVD, Xbox 360 and other device with HDMI port. Compatible with DVD, laptop, PC and other device with HDMI port. Here is the product number 4. HDMI to VGA with audio cable. This adapter is a new built-in chip adapter which can convert the HDMI digital signal to VGA analog signal. Enable laptop and other HDMI male input device to be connected with computer monitor, projector or other display. It supports the high-definition output of 720p or 1080p. Input signal, HDMI digital mix signal. Output signal, VGA analog signal audio stereo analog signal. Here is the product number 3. VGA Converter Adapter Cable. Brand name, Finchon. Model number, ACN/ACE. Gender, male female. Connector A, VGA. Connector B, HDMI. Shielding, foil. Outer diameter, 4.9 mm. Type, VGA cables. Color, black. Function 1, VGA HDMI adapter. VGA HDMI converter. Here is the product number 2. VGA adapter with audio cable. Application, multimedia. Connector color, gold. Type, audio extension cord, VGA cables, HDMI cables. Quick installation and easy to operate, no need for setting software. Small size and lightweight, it's convenient and portable. Input, HDMI. Output, VGA plus audio. Plug and play, no need for power supply. Here is the product number 1. HDMI to VGA adapter. Brand name, FSU. Type, VGA cables, HDMI cables. Quick installation and easy to operate, no need for setting software. Small size and lightweight, it's convenient and portable. Input, HDMI. Output, VGA plus audio. Plug and play, no need for power supply. Color, black, white. Weight, approx. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.